आमचे इलेक्शन हे पार्टी लायनीचेर ना, पूण जे आमचे बरोबर आसा, आमचे लिडर्स आहात, वी आर ऑल लायक मायंडेड लोकांक घेवन रुलिंगाच्या पॅनलाक डिफीट करपाचो हो आमचो पयलो.
But as far as Panjim is concerned, CCP, I think you as well as Yuri have said that you all are exploring possibility of having a tie-up with Utpal Parrikar. Have you assessed the ideological implications of this?
Our fight is against the BJP.
No.
Okay. There's an ideological fight between the BJP and Congress.
What about Utpal Parrikar?
That I cannot comment on.
He will support you in the future.
He has to make his stand clear that he is on which ideology. Because our fight is against the BJP. The BJP-backed panel in Panjim, we are going to go against it.
No, will Utpal Parrikar in the future reciprocate your support and support the Congress in the future?
तुका कितें दिसता ताणें कितें करचें?
No, I don't know. That you have to answer.
तुका कितें
Because
दिसता?
his father-in-law, they were all part of RSS.
So
Not his father-in-law.
Congress fight is against the BJP. It is an ideological fight between the Congress and BJP. Friendly fight म्हणटा ती हांगा जावपाक शकना. आमी एक चूक केली झेडपीन हांगा जावपाक शकना. So I think that his stand he has to clear. I cannot. Ideological stand, our stand is clear. His stand he has to clear.
So he has to get back to the Congress.
He has to clear his ideological stand. Because our fight is against the BJP.
Done.